We've been working on our 1989 Airstream Excella for the past few weeks, trying to get it ready to go on our first Airstream trip of the season. We were trying to leave around 10 a.m., but as you can see, it's 1:30 p.m. and I'm obviously not in a truck heading up to a campground. I'm here at Walmart because I need to pick up some of these temporary window shades. They'll get the job done, super basic. Right around this time 2 years ago, I was 5 months pregnant with the twins, and we were on our way up to Ludington, Michigan for our very first RV trip ever. The Airstream was nowhere near as complete as it is now, but we just wanted to get on the road, you know? And now we have 19-month-old twin boys, and we're heading on our next trip, and the Airstream is looking much better. Still so much to do, though. Hot. Well, we're ready as we're ever gonna be. Let's wake up the boys. Who's ready to go on an adventure? All right, packed up, ready to go, 3:45, and we've got a 5-hour drive without stops. I am driving first. Our first stop, a rest stop. Our back cabinet fell off again. This happened the very first time we went on a trip. We brought some epoxy with, so hopefully we'll be able to fix that. Just gonna change some diapers, have some milky, eat a little food, get back on the road. Well, we made it through the night. Boys didn't get to sleep until almost midnight, and we were asleep at like 12:30, but they woke up at 6:30. We're just trying to get everything arranged in here. We have not camped in this Airstream for about, like a year and a half? So we gotta get everything figured out again, find space for everything. Once we got everything cleaned up in the Airstream, it was time to head over to Eagle River to hit the grocery store. We loaded up the stroller and headed back to camp. Now it's loaded down with like 20 pounds of groceries.
Good work, honey. Good work. Keep it up.
Thanks. The holidays are here, and nothing says I love you like the gift of a butcher box full of ethically sourced meats. ButcherBox is a premium meat subscription service dedicated to delivering high-quality grass-fed, grass-finished beef, organic chicken, pork raised crate-free, and wild-caught seafood straight to your front door. ButcherBox prioritizes ethical sourcing and sustainability with the convenience of free shipping with every order. You can build a custom box and create a perfect mix for your lifestyle with over 25 cuts to choose from. And you can change up your box with every order, or you can let ButcherBox curate a box for you. Every box is a chance to try something new, along with enjoying a few tried and true classics. Every month they have amazing deals, including free ribeyes, free ground beef, free chicken wings. It's always something new and fresh. If you click on the link in the description below, it will take you over to their current deal. Thanks again to ButcherBox for sponsoring today's video. The boys want to get into everything and touch every button, so that has been a struggle. After trying to wrangle them inside the Airstream, we went across the way to the playground. We're staying at Three Lakes Campground in Three Lakes, Wisconsin. This is a campground with only 3 to 4 transient sites. Mostly it's permanent campers, but it's beautiful and it's not very expensive. And we booked this trip last minute, so it was all we could find. My dad has a place in Eagle River, so we come up here every year to boat and hang out with them. The campsite was good. We're in T4, and right across the street is a marina and a general store and one of the lakes in the chain of lakes. We needed to pick up some life jackets for the boys, so I'm glad that this was available here. Lots of fishing and boating equipment at the marina store, and then the general store had a ton of items and food, along with some nice alcohol selections if that strikes your fancy. After shopping, we headed out on the boat for the boys' first experience swimming in the lake. What do you think, Jake? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Big wave! It was a great day on the water. The boys are pooped. Over the next few days, we spent time at the campsite, showed my dad and stepmom around, did some more grocery shopping, and hit this yummy ice cream shop in town. We did some laundry, we cooked lots of yummy food on the Blackstone, and we did a bunch more boating. I could do or say to change her mind. Well, I think our first RV trip of the season has been a success. Before everybody starts waking up in the campground, I just wanted to talk to you about a few things and tell you about a few things that we've figured out in our first, shakedown trip of the season. I'm very happy with how the boys reacted to RV life. It would have been very sad and depressing if they had been like, wah, the whole time. They actually really enjoyed it, thankfully. Their sleep schedule was a little jacked up, but all in all, it worked out great, and I think we have a couple of little RVers on our hands. So let's talk about a couple of the things that we learned. So obviously we need to leave earlier. We left at 3:45 p.m., got here around 9:30, checked in at night. It is a pull-through site that we're at right now, so that was super easy. But in general, I like to keep the boys on their normal sleep schedule, so it would have been better if we had left by like noon at the latest. So I think we're gonna just try to aim for that next time. This dog fence / baby enclosure area, I use this at home to block in our concrete patio so that the boys won't run in opposite directions and drive me crazy. So I brought 2 of them with and put some toys in there, and this was a lifesaver for letting the boys be outside but not having to chase them around like chickens with their heads cut off. So definitely going to be bringing these fences again. Starlink has been an absolute lifesaver this trip. We have been able to stream all of the boys' shows, do anything we needed to do work-wise. We have a campsite that is pretty wide open. There's only a couple of trees, and there was only a slight obstruction, so we had interrupted service maybe every 7 to 9 minutes. But other than that, it's been working out great. We definitely need to bring a little bit less clothing. Goran always brings way too many t-shirts, so that's a thing. Anyways, hit that subscribe button if you would like to follow along. I'm gonna link a couple videos on the screen that I think you may enjoy. I need to go and feed them and change them and get ready for the day and get the heck out of here. So I'll see you next time.
Lord, I've been domesticated. Lord, I've been domesticated. All I do is stay at home.